Skyway! Again. My lovely driver. She's tired already. Ayun, bababa. Tanda. Kasi pag nasa Kuwait na ako, ano ko yun? Gagawin ko yan, i-reel ko yan. Video, no? Ganda kasi pag gabi, oh. Nagsa-sunset siya, oh. Sabihin mo lang sa akin pag stop na.
Kailangan, hindi ko na kailangan yung, yung side mirror.
Yung side mirror. Saan? Oh, it's raining hard. We're going home. It's zero visibility. Be careful, baby. Be careful driving.
Lahat mabagal, oh.
Yeah, you have to. Kasi baka mag-skid, madulas yung ano. The road is slippery. Sleepy. Wow. It's raining hard.
Masyado naman ako mabagal. Tricycle yata.
They're overtaking us.
Ito yun,
It's 80. Here it's okay, it's 80. It's 80. The speed should be 60. Speed limit is 60. 60 or 80? 80. Okay. My daughter is driving. Please drive safely, baby. Oops, don't crash. It's raining, man. Nice. We're in Skyway. Look.
Matugtog na ako.
Oh, I think we're all going to exit the
Oh my God,
Quezon
ang
Ave.
aga pa. 5:18 pa lang.
So we were expecting to cut the heavy traffic, to catch the heavy traffic, but it's not traffic at all. Just drive safely, my dearest. I'm counting on you. God, it's a nice view, 'cause it's sunset.
Saan yung
Sunset. I love clouds. There you go. Bonifacio. So, oops, be careful, be. Nagta-transfer siya. Alanganin, hindi siya tumuloy.
Hindi niya sure sa daan niya. Lumipat ba?
Hindi. Yun siya. Di yata, ewan ko sa kanya kung anong point niya sa buhay. Pero delikado yun, mamamahamak pa siya ng kapwa niya.
Kailanganin yung ano niya.
Alanganin yung signal niya. We expected heavy traffic here, but it's very free. I think we're getting home early, as long as there's no traffic in the highway.
Saan yung traffic?
No, don't say.
Malolos.
Yeah, Malolos is I'm sure it's traffic. Doon mahirapan kami, but here you're relaxed. Now we're entering NLEX. Okay, let's see. I hope there's no traffic. Traffic is the only issue.
Ang cool pala, pataas pala siya.
Yeah, it's very cool. That is why.
Wow, bilis natin.
Yeah, we're very fast. Be careful there. Be careful driving. It's because... Oh my gosh, look at that. We're at Skyway. That's why we're in a high part of the road. Now we're going down. And my baby is driving.
Nakaka-hazard siya.
Look at that. Well, dude, looks like this one is undecided where to go. At parang ano siya,
Nakaka-hazard na siya.
parang magulo yung kanyang buhay.
I think medyo di niya alam yung sabog siya. Yes na. Doon na, magugulat na lang tayo.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God!
Arcs! It's not that much. I can see the lightings. Thank you for using Skyway. Now we're exiting the Skyway. Okay, this is the hardest part. Most of the time, it is very traffic here. This will decide if we can get home early or not. It's 5:30, almost 6 o'clock. We are now entering the NLEX. Going to North Luzon. Going home. And the baby driver is still okay. We need to stop at the restroom. We need to stop at the restroom. Be careful there. No tailgating. Violators will be apprehended. So no tailgating, baby, ah. But I think it's fine. Oh, I hope you still have balance. Low balance.
Gusto yata nilang balance na 100k katulad yun.
We don't have that much.